In this lesson, I demonstrate custom logging, which I usually apply in integration scenarios where I base the execution of workflows on monitor adapter events. We built this workflow from scratch to your benefit. Feel free to fast forward or replay certain sections. At important steps within the workflow creation, I'll comment on the activities we perform. Let's get started. First, I create a new process called dump input event. I add description and additional information to the workflow for documentation purposes, add a custom icon and so forth. As the file name must be unique, I use the utility from the activity palette and assign the current timestamp in epoch format to a context item. This allows me to construct a unique file name later on. This workflow will be driven by events coming from monitor adapters. Therefore, the incoming context item must be input event. A rule will be associated, and we learn more about this in another lesson. Here I define context item based on module configuration to assist in the constructing of the folder, the file name, leveraging certain utility workflows and the like. Since the structure of the input event is always the same, I can extract the name of the source adapter and use this as part of the file name. It makes it easier to identify where the event was coming from. Here I construct now the file name. The right workflow depends on the file adapter. A helper workflow getAdapterName allows us to dynamically create or retrieve the appropriate adapter name. At the end, I test the workflow with some sample data. This is based on an SNMP event.